Good afternoon, my fellow traders. Hope you all having an awesome day. I know you guys must be preparing for your holiday season. That is why I'm uploading a video early today, and I'll try to upload early video tomorrow as well, as it's going to be Christmas holidays and I want you guys to enjoy your Christmas and don't get yourself stuck in any trades. To enjoy your holidays. So starting with national cash. So what do we have right here? Price has just hit the level of double top rejection area. Now right here on a daily time frame, that is a double top rejection area. Clearly mentioned in my last video. Here on capital.com, I'm still looking at a possible double top pattern. Once the price hit this level, as you can see, this level has acted as a good level of support and resistance in the past. So that is why once the price hit this level, if you have a bearish engulfer on a daily, that is a sell signal, just a scalp, not a reversal. Sell signal from here, then we can get a possible retest of this. Perfect. So here, as clearly mentioned, I'm going to go through the other platforms as well, like Nemex and Owanda. Now right here on this platform, we are just purely looking for the double top pattern, and red candle will confirm the double top confirmation. Now at this point, if that happens to be a red candle on a daily time frame, talking about a traders taking your trades on a daily time frame, we can see a possible and a big retracement. Now on this platform, I'm just paying attention to this zone below. If that happens, if the price reaches this zone, if not, I'm going to talk about that shortly as well. 3.031 goes to 3.119. It is a zone from where I'll then start to look for my buying opportunity. We already had double top, double bottom right here. That is why I'll be mainly looking at this rejection zone, which is something like this. We have a chance the price pushes down to this rejection zone, and then if there is a bullish engulfer or a 382 candle, then we can see a possible push up. Now, if that turns out to be a double top area, I won't be entering straight away on a daily time frame. I want to enter right above because we have a room till this rejection box to cut the profits if that happens. Otherwise, now coming back on 4-hour time frame. On 4-hour time frame, we are getting a nice retracement. We are above 50 EMA. All I'm waiting for the price to form the bullish engulfing pattern, a pullback entry. If you remember, that is all I want to look for on this platform. Once we have that, we are good to go long. So keep an eye. Bullish engulfer is something I'll be looking at on 4-hour time frame. The next level for here on capital.com, I'm going to mark once the price completely break above these highs. We are still bullish long term, but expect these pullbacks retracement. If we have a bullish engulfer, I'm going to go long from here. So keep an eye. These are conditions now I'll be looking at for my possible trades. Remember, only take your trades once conditions forms. Here on Owanda, very simple here. On Owanda, we have two levels, clearly, right here. First, we have 3.238 goes to 3.355. We are getting a possible retracement to this level. Now, I've mentioned Fibonacci retracements as well, something like this. So, 50% retracement is about to hit, which is right here. That could be a very aggressive entry, a buy limit order from 50% retracement. Take profit. You can go to the zone right here, which is a level of next resistance. 3.652 goes to 3.380 to get a better reward to risk ratio if you decide to enter aggressively. That's going to be again risky and aggressive entry, but gives you a good reward to risk ratio. Otherwise, my favorite way of entering, either a bullish engulfer within this zone, the green zone I've just mentioned, or a pullback entry above 50 EMA, wherever we get a pullback entry above 50 EMA, or a double bottom within this zone. So these are my buy condition. That is all I'm looking at, not selling as long as price reaches this level or we are broken below 50 EMA. Keep an eye on this condition. Here on Nemex, simple again. 3.341 goes to 3.606 is an area to take my buy trades if we have a bullish engulfers or double bottom. Above 50 EMA, if we have a pullback entry, that is also a very strong entry. Fibonacci levels, which is something like this. 50% can be sell limit or buy limit order. Take profit can be 1.618 retracements. The next zone is quite higher than Owanda, but we have a rollover coming up. Now there is a chance the price roll over and open somewhere up near to this zone. That is also very likely looking at the charts on Owanda and on capital.com. That is why we might see some adjustment here, but don't start buying looking at that. This is just my opinion. It might open higher in rollover near to the zone. Let's see how it goes, but I won't be taking the trades on that basis. My conditions are very important. Once we have these conditions I've just mentioned, keep looking for your entries. Only buy trades at this point: aggressive entry, bullish engulfers, double bottom, or a pullback entry above 50 EMA. That is all I'll be looking at here for my entries. Next up, we have gold. We have no condition here on gold at this platform. But if I look here on my own platform on IC markets, right here, that is a valid bearish engulfer. So it's totally up to you. Based on your own platform, you want to take your trades. That's totally fine. $41 is a take profit and $41 is stop loss. You can also keep your tighter stop loss. That can be something like this. keep a stop loss above the EMA, take profit. You can go either it's $13, not $41. That was on a daily time frame. $13 something, looks something like this. So that is what you can use for the smaller target. For the bigger target, of course, EMA stop loss can be above 50 EMA or above this wick, and then take profit. You can manage to recent lows, or you can go 1.2 to 1 reward to risk ratio. 1 to 1 is my initial target. So that is why I'll be looking at a valid entry here on my own platform, and let's see how this goes. Expecting a price to push down, not buying as long as we are trading below 50 EMA. Here on silver, again a valid entry here on Owanda as well. Now let me tell you something. That is not a valid pullback entry, but that is a valid bearish pullback entry. That can be an aggressive entry, not a valid pullback entry. It invalidates one of my rules. That is my valid pullback entry happened after the break of the structure level. So that is why I'm expecting a price to push down. So let's see how this goes. I'll be entering this trade as well, but make sure you'll be very careful with the risk, and nothing should be taken as any sort of trading advice. Take your trades on your own risk. It is just my opinion, and that is how I personally take my trades. So expecting a price to push down at least till this recent lows. Not buying as long as we are below 50 and 20 EMA. We had some nice successful trades, 1, 2, 3, and let's see how this goes. Crude oil is back in the range, so that is why, like I mentioned, I won't be taking any trades for crude oil. So only two zones I'm paying attention. One below, right here at these numbers in blue, and one above, right here, these numbers in blue. Buy from A, sell from A. In between, if we are broken below these lows, I'll be looking at my bearish pullback entry. Still, we are in this zone. If you are broken above this high, then I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish till we get a selling condition from here. So nothing, no condition, a fake out right here, a little fake out happens, but no confirmation yet. For sell trades, must break below these lows. On a daily, we are still below 50 EMA. That is why we have more chances of the price to push lower. And if you see the price just making new lower lows all the way from A, so that is why we have a chance the price can make another low. So my bias is still towards the downside. So that is it for today's analysis. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you got a value out of that. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. Have an awesome week ahead. Take care.